Hey, it's Nailah. Ooh, why is my chair squeaky? Girl, oh no, I gotta get that fixed. Ooh, oh! This is new. This is new. Welcome back, it's Nailah, and today, I don't really think it's gonna be called a review. Actually, I don't know what I'm calling this video. Either way, the main point is that I'm trying a new blow dryer. Now, my last blow dryer was by Andes, and I pretty much bought this because I'm hoping it's a lot easier to manage. The other blow dryer, bought it under the same concept that I just needed something easier to help with my hair because I'm not the person to hold a blow dryer and then hold a brush and do all of that. That's too much work, okay? So I bought this, but the only difference is that with the Andes blow dryer, I found out that the comb attachment, it's always breaking. It drags through my hair and I just don't like my overall results. It's just very time consuming. So I'm hoping that this is a bit more gentle on my hair. My scalp is not left sore. My hair isn't left completely dry, and it's just a lot more manageable. What's the other reason? Why did I buy this? There was one more reason. You know what? If I figure it out, I'll just drop it on the screen. But let's get into the video. And I'll just her. Okay, I just figured it out. I'm hoping this will help me cut down on dry time because it used to take me at least an hour and a half to 2 hours to blow dry my hair. I don't want to do that anymore. But then, I'm gonna do that today. Yeah, cut down on dry time. That's the other reason. I wanted to highlight that before this entire process, I did co-wash and do a protein treatment. Next, I'm just unraveling my braids, and then you'll see me apply my heat protectant. Now, for my hair type, even though I fully detangled, I did have to go through and do a quick finger detangling before blow drying because my hair just naturally tangles. As for blow drying, I found out instead of using the brush sideways, the motion that I'm using right now is the correct way to use this brush because it just glides through your hair a lot easier. As for timing, it took at least 20 seconds to blow dry each section. I am also using the low heat setting. Alright, so this is what I'm looking like. I blow dried, I trimmed my hair. Now, this did take about an hour and 15 minutes. It probably would have been shorter if I didn't take a break or trim my ends. But I did break down my sections even smaller because I get very cautious about my hair. So if I feel even the slightest pull, I'm gonna say nope, new method. But the biggest factor, I did not get frustrated. With my last blow dryer, I would get very mad because the comb attachment would always break off and my hair is really soft. That's the big one. My hair is super soft. I'm not mad. I like it. I like this blow dryer. So next we are gonna curl this hair. My curling wand does not have a heat setting. With that being said, I just held my hair onto the curling wand for 10 seconds for each section. And then to create extra volume, I curled some sections forward and some backwards. Oh my goodness, my hair was so soft and silky, but this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. And I do have another tutorial in store, so do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated about any time I upload a new video. Thank you again, and see you soon.